Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have the update on two different companies. So the first company for today is TCS, and the second thing is IBM. So they are hiring for the multiple IT roles, and work location is across India. So we'll see in detail about the job details, eligibility criteria and the selection process, and what are the perks and the bonus for this. So the first company, that is TCS AI. So they are hiring, and it is for multiple IT roles. So it can be artificial intelligence, AI, so then related to data, cloud computing and the cyber security. So these are the four IT roles they are looking for: the AI, data engineer, cloud as well as cyber security. So make sure you go to the job description, and you can apply for any of these roles. And the work location, as mentioned, it is across India. So they have multiple work locations, so you can choose the preference, like you can choose the location as per your preference. And work experience for this, so it is for 2 to 4 years. So those who has at least 2 years of experience, they are eligible to apply for this. And qualification for this, so the full-time graduate or the postgraduate degree. And the compensation, so it is 9 LPA onwards, and also they'll give the joining bonus for the same. So based on your experience, so the salary might differ, but they are also offering the bonus. So we'll see the bonus also and the perks. And coming to the technology stack, so you need to be good in these mentioned programming languages. It can be Java programming, C, C++, Python or the embedded C is needed. And for the front end and the web development, you should have knowledge on at least AngularJS, React.js, Node.js or the including HTML and CSS3. And backend and the frameworks, you need to have knowledge on this REST or the SOAP web services, SQL and the .NET. And testing, for testing and the data, like automation testing with the Selenium or the Informatica ETL, so ETL process. So they have mentioned these tech stack. So based on the roles, the tech stack may differ. So in general, so these are the technology stack for this. And the benefits, perks and the benefits. So as mentioned, the starting package is 9 LPA onwards, and you'll be getting the early joining bonus. That's a one-time bonus, that is 50,000 for the candidates who will join within 30 days of the offer. So if you join within 30 days, that is in 1 month, so you'll be getting 50,000. So suppose if some will have to 2 months of notice period, so they won't get this bonus. So only those who are willing to join within 30 days, so they'll get this bonus. And eligibility criteria, as mentioned, 2 to 4 years of full-time IT work experience. And educational background, so either graduates or the postgraduates are eligible to apply for this. So in this we'll also discuss about the assessment format and the selection process. So before that, we'll see the application form for the TCS. So this is the application form for the TCS. So first thing is that your areas of interest. As this is for IT engineers only, you can choose the first option. Then your email address and the title and the first name as per the Aadhaar card, and your last name and the contact number and the date of birth as well as the PAN card. And the skill set, so go to the technologies tech stack whatever they have mentioned, and you can add maximum 5 skills. And your preferred locations, if you wish to work anywhere in India, you can check box this. And current location, and lastly you need to upload your updated resume. And the video resume, it is not mandatory, you can skip it. If you wish, you can prepare a video resume, upload it in Drive, and you can provide that URL here, and you can check this, agree these terms. And lastly you need to enter the captcha which is given, and you can click on next. And you can fill the remaining details. It can be your experience details, you can add those, and then you can submit the application form. So these are the details of the TCS. So now we'll discuss about the selection process. So the stage 1 or the first round, it will be a remote assessment. So it's a 60-minute assessment which will be virtual, and it's a webcam based assessment. And once you complete the assessment, you must complete it within the 40 hours of receiving the link. So once you receive the link, you have to complete it by within 48 hours, and result also will be shared within the 48 hours of the completion. So once the remote assessment or the online assessment is completed, so there will be in-person assessment. So in-person assessment is that like you'll be invited for the 90-minute in-person online assessment at the TCS ION test center. So this is one of the second round of assessment. So once you qualify for that, then you'll be invited for the final discussion. So like you'll also receive the results within 48 hours, and there will be final discussion, so which is mix of technical discussion as well as the HR discussion. So these are the 3 rounds included in the selection process for the TCS. So these are the complete details of the TCS. So next comes the IBM Recruitment 2026. So they are looking for the associate system engineer, and it's completely for the freshers. And as mentioned, this work location is also pan India, so it's across India. So it can be Bangalore, Pune. So role is associate system engineer, and the location is either Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Chennai, Noida, as well as Kolkata, and other places also, other locations. So pan India. And batch eligible is 2024 and 2025 batches only. They are eligible to apply. And experience, it's for freshers, that is entry level graduates are eligible. And qualification is either BE or BTech graduates in either computer science, information technology, AI or ML, and the cyber security. So coming to the key skills, so the tech stack is that you need to be good in object oriented programming. It can be Java, Python, C++, and if you choose Java, you need to have knowledge on J2EE. Then in common, some AWS related skills, Docker and all, and software development lifecycle. So these are the key skills which are needed to apply for this role. And coming to the salary structure, so initially they'll offer so it ranges between 4.5 lakhs per annum to 6 lakhs per annum, and it depends based on the specific project and the location. So these are the details. And like here you can go to the, so here you can view the complete location. So you can see it's pan India, so multiple work locations are available, and you can go through this job responsibilities and the expertise, so technical professional expertise, whatever is needed. So you can go through this, and you can click apply now. So for this you need an IBM account, so you need to create an IBM ID. So if you don't have the account, you have to create an IBM ID account to apply, in order to apply for this. So for this you are supposed to enter your email address and the first name, last name, and a new password, and you can click on next. Then you'll get the verification mail to your respective mail. You can enter that code and you can create an account. Then you can log in and you can start applying for this role. And coming to the selection process, so first round it will be a coding assessment or the coding test. So in order to assess the programming skills in either Java, C++ or the Python, you can choose any of the programming language you wish. So you can code in any of the programming language. So there will be, first round will be the coding assessment. So already related to the IBM, the coding questions are already uploaded. So you can go to the playlist and you can search for the IBM. So here you can go to the IBM. So the complete playlist for the IBM is available. So in that you can check. So the IBM test pattern and the coding questions, it's been uploaded. You can check that. And even for the Java backend developer also, the coding question is uploaded. So once go through this, so that you'll get the idea like what type of questions you can get in the coding assessment. And once after that, so there will be like a cognitive ability test. It can be the aptitude assessment and also the mix of aptitude and the verbal part, the English language assessment. and then there will be one technical round as well as HR round. So these are the rounds included in the selection process for the IBM. So these are the complete updates for today. So the link for both of these two companies, so it will be provided in the description. So you can go to this video completely and do like the video, and if you have any doubts you can comment in the description. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.